Hi everybody, Robert Dyer, and welcome to the Robert Dyer channel, where tonight I was going through the drive-thru at Burger King, and holy smokers, you know, a few months ago they had introduced the grilled dogs, chili cheese, and original. Now there's the Whopper Dog, the hot dog with the toppings of the famous Whopper burger. And I've got a couple of them here, flame grilled. And of course, to go with that, I've got napkins and a large root beer, Barks root beer with sarsaparilla. And look how they give you a real large at Burger King, not like McDonald's where it's more like a medium these days. Okay, so here's the Whopper dogs out of the bag. You can see the famous Whopper toppings on there, the onion, the tomato, green lettuce, ketchup, crinkle cut pickles, there's the mayonnaise, the onions if I didn't already mention that, and of course the flame grilled hot dogs, the special buns. Let's get a close up zoom in on all of those wonderful Whopper toppings. And that wonderful Burger King hot dog. Well, the aroma on these is fantastic. I've been smelling this aroma all the way home of a Whopper and a hot dog, a flame grilled hot dog. And if you like Whoppers and hot dogs, you'll probably agree that this should be offered as a air freshener for the vehicle. And these were also made fresh when I ordered them. I'm always glad to wait an extra few minutes for something fresh. So let's go ahead and see how it tastes. Well, this is a new flavor experience for me, having an explosion of a fresh juicy tomato when biting into a hot dog. Very good fresh bun, that great beef hot dog flavor, and another first for me, mayonnaise on a hot dog. Earlier today I pulled the Lincoln Town Car over at a estate sale where I found for $1 a 3D printer for Game Boy made by a company called Stark Industries. Never heard of it. Once I got back here, I plugged it into the old Game Boy in the den and it didn't work. So I decided to play a digital pet game. I created a dog, a cat, a bat, a vampire bat, a wolf, a lion, and a grizzly bear. Next thing I know, these digital animals start printing out of the 3D printer that's still attached. I run out of the room and slam the door. They're munching on the rug. They smoked all my Camel Wides. They cleaned out all my Colt 45 in the mini fridge. I went out and brought back a bag full of triple Whoppers. And I threw it in and slammed the door. And it got quiet for a while. But now those wild noises are starting up again. Those wild noises. I haven't heard wild noises like this since that weekend I spent in the Ukrainian hostel. Bob, if you let me open that door, we could be the next Siegfried and Roy. If you let me open that door, this could be the Tribbles episode of the Robert Dyer channel. Just let me open that door.
Just let me open that door. Woo!
Well, Burger King is killing it the last 7 or 8 months here. One great product after another. And this is, I was somewhat skeptical about whether a hot dog would go as well with these toppings as the famous Whopper burger does, but it ended up being a perfect match in my opinion. And if you like having a vegetable salad element on top of your hot dog, I think this is a much better choice than the classic version, because there's just such a variety of toppings, things that you don't ordinarily have on a hot dog: tomato, mayonnaise, lettuce, that work so well with this great backyard barbecue grill hot dog. As far as the price, the 2 Whopper dogs were $4.78. Large Barks root beer, a perfect wine selection to go with this, $2.39. And then of course the always greedy Montgomery County Council greedily takes 43 cents for themselves. Ridiculous as always, but overall I'm suggesting that you step on it to get through that drive-thru at Burger King to try this wonderful Whopper dog for yourself. I'm going to go ahead and give this a very solid 5 stars. Hope you like this video. Share it with your friends. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye everybody.